Welcome to Chevy Chase Acura, where we take pride in providing exceptional service for your vehicle. Our Minder B service is a comprehensive maintenance package designed to keep your vehicle performing at its best. Oil and filter change. We'll start with a fresh oil change, using only manufacturer-recommended oil to ensure your engine is properly lubricated and protected. We'll also replace the oil filter, which traps harmful contaminants and keeps your engine clean. We'll also check all of your essential fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Brake inspection. Your brakes are essential for your safety, so we'll thoroughly inspect your brake pads and discs to ensure they're in good condition and functioning properly. We'll also check for any signs of wear or damage and make the necessary repairs if needed. Drive shaft boots examination. We ensure they're sealed and in good condition. Inspecting tie rod ends, we ensure that they're functioning correctly. Regular checks can detect signs of fatigue or damage, preventing steering troubles and keeping you in control. Exhaust system inspection. We'll check for leaks, damage, or other issues. Parking brake adjustment. We check and adjust the parking brake to ensure that it operates correctly and securely in your vehicle. Overall vehicle inspection. Our technicians will perform a comprehensive inspection of your vehicle, checking everything from your lights to your suspension. We'll identify any potential issues and make recommendations for repairs if necessary. Our Minder B service is like a multivitamin for your Acura, keeping it healthy, happy, and ready to conquer any road. Schedule your appointment today and experience the Chevy Chase Acura difference.